Hi everybody, this is Janet D, the PT, and I'm coming to you today to talk about a posture check. Okay, everybody's doing all this stuff on the computer, on their phone, iPads, all these devices, right? And we're trying to continue on with life, blah, blah, blah. Okay, but guess what? Our posture is not in balance. So, when our body is not in balance, when our body is not in check, guess what happens? Pain. All right? Anybody get pain while they're on their devices, right? Or trying to work from home? Blah, blah, blah. So, here are some things that I want to go through with you today to really help you keep your posture in check. Okay, first off, we're going to go through a couple of the shoulder exercises, okay? So you're wondering, why am I working with the shoulders? To improve your posture. But guess what? Everything is connected from our head all the way down to our toes. So here's a couple of great exercises that you can do when you have to be on your devices but don't want to be in pain. All right. So you're going to tuck your elbows in, hands about 90 degrees, right? Here's our thumbs. Okay, the thumbs are always my arrows. Okay, and we're going to bring them out to the side. Okay, this is a great posture exercise you can do at your desk, in the couch, anywhere you are, waiting in line. This is what you're going to do. Okay, another great posture exercise is backwards arm circles. Okay, why am I only going backwards? Because all our devices are in front of us. So I don't need your shoulders going forward. We need them going backwards, okay? If you don't have the range of motion for your shoulders like this, guess what? You can just rock your shoulder in place. And you could do this while you're sitting, right? While you're in line. Okay, you know what's so great about these posture exercises? They help us release the stress while we're on those devices. While those devices and programs are getting us all worked up, we're actually tensing our muscles. So doing these exercises creates that balance that our body is craving. Okay, so here's a couple more. So our head is normally tilted down, right? To look at our devices and our phones. Okay. What if you went in the opposite direction, right? We're doing all this stuff forward, and if it's causing you pain, go the other way. Stretch the other way, okay? How many times do you actually look up at your ceilings? Ooh. Ooh. I could definitely tell that my ceilings need to be painted. All right, I got to tell my husband that one though, right? Okay, another great exercise besides just looking up is to also bring your chin backwards. It's like you're getting a kiss from somebody you really don't want, okay? Or somebody who has bad breath. Okay, this is what you got to do. Ooh, I don't want to be by them. Ooh. Guess what? It's a great exercise for your posture. Okay, keep your pain levels down. Keep everything in check. All right, one more thing, okay? Some people are talking to me about having pain in their hands from being on their devices, right? So what tends to happen is, this is my right hand. I'm right-handed. So my muscle here is a little bit bigger and thicker than the one on my left hand. Okay, so there is already a muscle imbalance. So what happens with a muscle imbalance? Pain. Okay, So if you're getting pain in your hand using your devices, all right, here's something you could do from home to help yourself out. Okay, everybody knows I love kinesio tape. It is a great thing that everybody can use to help themselves feel better until they could see a physical therapist, okay? So you only need about a square or two. It depends on the size of your hand. And so I'm going to go and I'm going to apply this to my hand. All right. So I'm going to start here where muscle is big, right? Okay, and I'm going to I'm going to stretch the tape so that it is pulling my thumb up and back. Okay. Okay. All right, so this is what it looks like, right? Okay. Okay. Guess what? I just helped relieve some pain in my thumb from all that texting, right? And I could still text and use my hands, but I'm giving my thumb a break, right? I'm putting it back in alignment, which then relieves pain from being on all these messages and texting and everything else, right? Okay, so I hope you really enjoyed my posture check video. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, tell your friends, drop a like, and share and subscribe to my channel. All right, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.